Welcome to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast, where we help you navigate the ins and outs of running your micro and small businesses, providing actionable insights and strategies to thrive. I am Dr. Karen Lowe, founder of Epigram Consulting Services. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us get the word out about building great micro and small businesses.
Let's go.
Today, we are diving into another fundamental tool for any business owner, whether starting or looking to refine your strategy: SWOT analysis. We will cover what it is, how to conduct one, and why it is fundamental for your business's success and profitability. We will also look at examples from both the service and product industries and discuss how the strengths and weaknesses of micro and small business owners themselves can influence their business. First, let us break down what SWOT analysis means. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is a simple but powerful framework for analyzing what your business does best right now and what it needs to improve on. It also helps you identify both the opportunities you can use and the threats you need to be aware of. So, how do you conduct a SWOT analysis? It is straightforward and you can do it in 4 steps, but needs a bit of introspective and brainstorming. Step 1, identify your strengths. Think about what your business excels at. These could be tangible strengths like a strong brand, a loyal customer base, or unique technology. They could also be intangibles like your company's culture or leadership qualities. For example, if you run a service-based business like a marketing agency, your strengths might include a highly skilled team, strong relationships with clients, and a proven track record of successful campaigns. If you have a product-based business, say a boutique clothing line, your strengths might be high-quality materials, unique designs, and a strong social media presence. Knowing your strengths helps you leverage them to gain a competitive advantage. In other words, you need to humble brag. For the marketing agency, highlighting successful campaigns in your marketing materials can attract new clients. For the boutique clothing line, emphasizing the quality and uniqueness of your products in your branding can differentiate you from competitors. Simply put, ask yourself, what does your business have or does that no other business has or does or is hard to replicate? That is your strength or strengths if there are more than one. Your clients will not know your story or your strengths if you do not tell it. As a business owner, your strengths such as strong problem-solving skills, a clear vision, and excellent communication abilities can significantly boost your business. For instance, a visionary leader in a marketing agency might inspire their team to innovate and stay ahead of market trends, while a boutique owner with a knack for social media can effectively engage and grow their customer base. Step 2, identify your weaknesses. Now, be honest with yourself. Where is your business falling short? These could be areas like limited resources, lack of expertise, or inefficient processes. For instance, the marketing agency might struggle with high employee turnover or limited service offerings. The boutique clothing line might face challenges with supply chain management or physical store locations. Identifying weaknesses is very important because that allows you to take proactive steps to address them. The marketing agency could invest in employee development and expand service offerings to retain staff and attract more clients. The boutique could look into diversifying suppliers or exploring e-commerce options to overcome supply chain and location issues. Your weakness as the owner can also affect your business. For example, If you are a marketing agency owner who struggles with delegation, this could lead to burnout and inefficiencies. If you are a boutique owner who lacks financial literacy, you might face challenges managing your finances. Recognizing these personal weaknesses is crucial so you can seek training or hire experts to fill these gaps. Step 3. Identifying opportunities. Look at the external factors that you can leverage to your advantage. This could include market trends, changes in consumer behavior, or new technology. For the marketing agency, an opportunity might be the increasing demand for digital marketing services or the adoption of new marketing technologies. For the boutique, opportunities could include trends towards sustainable fashion or the growth of a particular online shopping trend. Often, opportunities can be anticipated so you can be first or in the first batch to market. Opportunities provide a roadmap for growth. The marketing agency can capitalize on the demand for digital services by upskilling staff or owners and investing in the latest tools, and does not have to cost a lot. The boutique can launch a line of eco-friendly clothing and enhance its online store to attract environmentally conscious consumers. Number 4 and final step. Identify threats. Consider what external factors could harm your business. This might include things like increasing competition, regulatory changes, or economic downturns. Remember COVID? The marketing agency might face threats from new competitors entering the market or changes in data privacy regulations. The boutique might be threatened by fast fashion brands or economic recessions, reducing consumer spending. Being aware of threats allow you to plan and mitigate their impact. Some threats can be anticipated based on upcoming events. The marketing agency can differentiate itself through exceptional service and staying compliant with regulations. The boutique can focus on building a loyal customer base and offering unique products that cannot be easily replicated by larger brands. So, why is SWOT analysis important for your business's success and profitability? First, it gives you a clear picture of your current position. By understanding your strengths and weaknesses, you can make informed decisions and prioritize where to focus your efforts. Second, it helps you capitalize on opportunities. By identifying and leveraging opportunities, you can drive growth and stay ahead of the competition. Third, it allows you to anticipate and prepare for threats. Instead of being caught off guard, you will have strategies in place to mitigate risk, ensure your business remains resilient and adaptable. To sum up, SWOT analysis is a vital tool for any business owner. It is easy to understand, simple to implement, and provides a comprehensive overview of your business's strategic position. By regularly conducting a SWOT analysis, you can ensure your business remains on the path to success and profitability. Do not ignore the weaknesses and threats. They are needed to reduce the probability of failure and mitigate the impacts of things we cannot control. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats change often, so it is important to analyze often, not just once, to ensure your business adapts to the relevant changes. Thank you for tuning in to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not already done so, click the notification button for twice weekly content. We post on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences on SWOT analysis, please leave a comment below or email us. Your feedback and insights are always welcome. Also, what topics would you like me to discuss in the future? How can I help you? Epigram Consulting Services offers business coaching, strategy consulting, marketing solutions, and much more. You can always contact us if you need more practical solutions for your business. See our website details in the description below and in our bio. We're also on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for staying with me. Continue creating your business masterpiece.